bilang Heaven and Marco. Yung sweetest thing so far na nagawa ni Marco sa'yo and vice versa, nagawa mo for Marco.
Shucks! Sobrang dami!
Top
Sobrang
three.
dami, hindi ko maisip.
Di ba top 3?
Oh my God. Si Marco magaling. Marco!
Ako meron na akong isa eh.
Meron ka na ba?
Hindi, yung isa yung sweetest, nakita ko talaga, last shooting day namin, nasa van kami. Heaven brings in this big box, and a small box for me. And pagbuksan ko, it's like she gave me a lamp, like a light shooting lamp na for my desk. It's super cute. And then, she gave Marco a vinyl record. And sabi ko, oh my God, sobrang sweet na. And you could see Marco's face. He's just speechless kasi he really wanted it. So yun yung mga nakikita kong kilig. Ikaw, Marco.
Not necessarily gifts, could be a big gesture, could be an effort na ginawa niya na para sa'yo sweet.
Top 3 na ginawa ko.
Well, the first thing where I get really the word kilig in my stomach, it's when Heaven takes care of me. You know, when she asks what food do I want and she orders it for me. And it doesn't have to be expensive to me. The little thing just really makes me super happy. And again, when I saw that vinyl player, the first thing I said, it was like, you didn't have to buy this. I know it's expensive. And it was just super sweet. And I'm super thankful for that. Okay, that's the first one. The second one, come on, let's cut to the chase. Let's be honest. Pag nilalandi niya ako sa No, you know, when we have those scenes and you just give me those flirtatious eyes.
Ano sa scene?
Para sa eksena lang naman. Third, I think when she makes sure that I'm ready for the scene. So like, I'm not, let's say, wala lang ako sa zone and she just sits down with me and helps me. I have this routine, let's say it's a heavy scene. I put my earphones on and there's a couple songs that I listen to. And kesa naman mag-prepare din siya, she sits down beside me and she's holding my hand and she sits down and helps me out. And I think not every actress does that. And the fact that she does, I appreciate it. And the only reason why I was telling her I wasn't gonna be able to do this movie if it wasn't without you. So yeah, thank you.
Top 3 na pinaka-sweetest thing na ginawa ni Marco. One is when we were in Siargao, actually. During the shoot ba? Sorry.
But I wanna hear it.
Yeah, one time lang. During when we were in Siargao, it was super cold, gabi na. Tapos wala akong dalang blanket. And nasa beach yun, so sobrang lakas ng hangin. And so, kahit lamig na lamig siya, wala siyang damit kasi binigay niya na sa akin. So, yung mga little things like that. Second, siguro yung sa movie, binigyan niya ako ng coffee, tapos nagulat na lang ako, nakalagay doon for Tita Babes. Sobrang cute. And then, third, gumawa siya ng pasta. Pero hindi ko naman nakain. Kasi siya yung kumain si Derek. So, Derek, I hate you.